You are not behind. You are not finished. But if you keep living like this, you will be. Right now, you feel stuck. You wasted time. You broke promises to yourself. You said tomorrow too many times, and 2025 slipped through your hands. But here's the truth. Your comeback does not start in 2026. It starts with what you do today. No one is coming to rebuild your body. No one is coming to fix your habits. No one is coming to save your future. You either stay the same or you decide that this is the last year you live small. Wake up earlier. Train when you don't feel like it. Work when others scroll. Choose discomfort on purpose. One clean day, then another, then another. That is how a comeback is built. Not with motivation, with discipline. By 2026, they won't recognize you, but it starts now. Move!